Colorway on these are fire. The black with the blue and the purple. One of the most important steps to make it so that when you actually cover up the shoe, I was like, ooh, don't tell me I need another box. Yo, we back with another video. And today we have another ship out video. So let's get into the video. So for this one, we have the Air Jordan 5 Black Fierce. So starting off, the colorway on these are fire. The black with the blue and the purple. LOL, but after all the joking around, let's go ahead and get these shipped out. So we're gonna go take this to the little station where I get them wrapped, and I'll bring them back out. So the first step is to get the sealer plugged in, and then I'm gonna wrinkle up the plastic so I can get the plastic wrap into the shoe, just like this. This is one of the most important steps to make it so that when you actually cover up the shoe, it doesn't have any holes in it. So now comes the sealing. You need one seal here, one seal here, and then one seal on the back, and you get this.
Day drinking?
So with that being done, I brought them back outside, and you can see how these look. These look amazing. So now I just gotta find a box to put these in, which is right here. Okay, so now we made it to the easy part, is to make sure that these shoes make it in the box. I was like, ooh, don't tell me I need another box. I was like, okay, I can do this sideways. Take this other shoe, do it sideways, and we can just put some bubble wrap in there. I was like, yup, okay, that works.
Baden, have you been day drinking?
So next is grabbing the bubble wrap and putting it in there. I'm gonna do them on each side of the shoe. So lastly is the business card, and that will be it for the video. Thanks for watching.